In this video, we will show you how to exchange the cooling liquid and clean the cooling liquid tank of your E4. You need to exchange the cooling liquid in the following cases. The change interval in the maintenance table has been exceeded. The cooling liquid is soiled. In case of a strong odor, or a biofilm on the cooling liquid. Have the following items ready. A collective container for the cooling liquid, if possible including a filter for machining residues. Optionally a mild cleaning agent. A cleaning brush and a cloth. Optionally spare filters for the cooling liquid tank. Open the working chamber door. Pull the cooling liquid tank out of the machine. Remove the strainer basket and tap it out. Clean the strainer basket under running water. Remove the coarse filter mat from the cooling liquid tank. Clean the filter under running water. Take out the fine filter from the cooling liquid tank. Clean the fine filter under running water. If you cannot get both filters clean this way, have a spare filter ready. Soak the fine filter with water. Note that if you do not soak the filter, the cooling liquid tank will overflow, and cooling liquid will leak out. Remove the return mat from the cooling liquid tank and clean it thoroughly with the cloth. Empty the cooling liquid into the collecting container. A filter in the collective container may make disposal easier. Dispose of machining residues and cooling liquid as described in the chapter on disposal in the operating instructions. Fill in water into the cooling liquid tank. Optionally, add the mild cleaning agent to the water. Clean the cooling liquid tank thoroughly with the cleaning brush. Empty the soiled water into the collective container. If you have used a cleaning agent, make sure that no residues of it remain in the cooling liquid tank. Position the lip on the underside of the return mat in the groove on the cooling liquid tank. Press the lip firmly into the groove on the cooling liquid tank. Press the return mat firmly against both markings next to the opening on the cooling liquid tank. Make sure that the return mat lies evenly on the cooling liquid tank. Insert the fine filter mat into the cooling liquid tank. Insert the coarse filter mat into the cooling liquid tank. Insert the strainer basket into the tank. Fill in cooling liquid. We provide a video on this topic. Once you have finished exchanging the cooling liquid, mark the corresponding task as complete in the maintenance section of Dental CNC. Exchanging the cooling liquid. This will keep you list up to date. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E4. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.